flat begins. It's offside. So this is our door. Once you open the door, you see the staircase. This is the under staircase. We can still pack some things here. And when you get here, there are two doors here. The right one is the master's bedroom. This one is the parlor. So let's start from the parlor. Well, Annie. So this place connects to the kitchen from the parlor. This place connects to the kitchen. Then this place is the main parlor.
This is the dining room.
Dining set.
And we're going to be keeping one thing that there is something that I'm making.
Get on here and plan one thing. So this is the parlor. And this is the dining area.
Dining area.
That's the dining sink. So from the dining area also, there is also another road, the entrance that leads to the kitchen also. This leads to the kitchen. This also from the parlor leads to the kitchen also. So then here is the kitchen. Whatever. So this is the kitchen. Which work are we still do? We are done. It's left for us to move in our thing. We'll do those ones later. So there is no store in the house, so I'm thinking of using this small space. It's a great store. And then we have small backyard here. Don't worry, leave it though. Just have small
breezes to enter from here. Where?
Just select some space at the back here. Okay, from the parlor, I didn't show you the corridor. Let me go back and show you the corridor from the parlor. So this is the main.
I mind this thing. That's against the
So here is the. So this is the ancient and modern chandelier. So we'll call them, they will call remove it, so we'll put simple one we can afford. So we'll go back. So this is the kitchen. So this is the
washing machine.
Okay, madam, I'm going to be explaining.
Washing machine, then you now keep one thing here like this.
So here is the.
Here are the rooms and these toilets.
Yes.
Here's
the first toilet.
See the push out there. This was meant to be the
visitors room. This is the visitors room.
But instead, this is a visitors room. It's a visitors room. The side of that people assisted from here too.
So from there, this is the master's door.
Which is
close that door. Close that door. We'll come there last. Come out and close them. So this is the master's, and then this is the children's room. So this is their toilet.
It's my toilet. Then they're going to put our wardrobe here, put my bed here. Look at the beautiful sight of wonders.
That is the next compound. They have a very beautiful house.
Yeah.
So this is the children's room. The painters and the people that wash the house, they did a wonderful job. So here's the master's room.
This is my mommy's room. Come, let us enter the toilet. First, look at our wardrobe.
So here's the wardrobe.
I've already showed that piece.
And I need to walk inside it. It's quite big, so I need to walk.
Mommy, it's okay. It's not because
Here is the
Mommy,
master's toilet.
You're not taught. That's why you cannot reach that place. Sorry.
Outside, Biko. Not inside. Push it out. It's you.